Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word inundations. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The town was devastated by the inundations caused by heavy rainfall and rising river levels. Inundations refer to the overwhelming overflow of water, typically from heavy rainfall or flooding, leading to widespread and severe damage to an area. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.